Hi, I'm RosaLeigh Johnson. I am the principal at Glengarry Elementary in Walled Lake, and we have been honored to have Mr. Peace come to our school 4 times now during my time here. He is just awesome. I can't say enough positive about Mr. Peace. He relates to the kids. He offers an engaging presentation and he speaks from the heart. And what's so awesome to see is the trickle effect. So the kids start speaking from their heart. Some kids have been moved to tears. Some kids have just openly gifted him things or written him letters or cards after the fact. I often hear from parents after Mr. Peace visits our school and they share what a positive impact he has had on their children and how, again, it trickles and ripples and shows up in the home, in the community, and at school. So I preach to our kids, people matter, people and relationships are the number one thing, and Mr. Peace 100% reinforces that message, and the kids are better for it. So thank you to Mr. Peace.